Hello everyone and good evening to all of you. You are watching Diary Times and I am Surbhi Mahajan. Let's start with today's headlines. The war continues 1 year of Corona in Himachal Pradesh. It has been a full year since Corona's knock in Himachal Pradesh. The lockdown saw the courage, patience and service of the Corona warriors. Employment was lost. Migration was seen. Houses were imprisoned. Industries closed down. Tourists stopped. People lost their lives. Yet the battle of defeat Corona continued. When everything started to become normal, now the second wave of Corona is ready to take the test. In such a situation, we need to be more vigilant. Corona will lose only when we all fight together. The Himachal Pradesh State Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission caught a fake degree during verification on a young man's application. After catching the fake degree, the commission has asked the Himachal Pradesh Police to register an FIR and investigate it. The chairman of commission, Major General retired Atul Kaushik, said that he has given a letter to the Shimla Police to register an FIR. Termite will now litter plastic waste in Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, many species of termites will leak solid waste. Some states' Department of Science and Technology, Palampur University are engaged in research in this regard. Several species of termites have been identified for this. The bacteria in the stomach are helping to dissolve this waste. After the initial state of this experiment of scientists are successful, the technology related to it can be applied in many areas of the state. Services of outsourced personnel will be terminated soon by Electricity Board. The services of the employees appointed on the outsourced basis in the Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board will be terminated as soon as they take over the post of junior teams and helpers. The Board of Management issued a directive saying that the services of these employees will remain till they take up new positions. A letter in this regard has been issued by the Executive Director of the Board Personnel, Manoj Kumar. Regulatory Commission set up probe on MMU Solan Committee formed. The Private Educational Institution Regulatory Commission has set up an inquiry against MMU University Kumarhatti Solan. The Private Educational Institutions Regulatory Commission has set up an inquiry against the University MMU Kumarhatti Solan. University management is accused of charging high fees from students, discontinuing online studies and withholding exam results. On Saturday, the inquiry committee will visit the university. Action will be taken against the university management based on the investigation report of the committee. Ban on organizing anchoring fairs from 23 March. The Himachal Pradesh Cabinet has decided to reintroduce several restrictions in the meeting on Friday amid increasing cases of Corona in Himachal Pradesh. Fairs will be banned from March 23rd in the state. The fairs that are going on now will have to be disposed of in 3 days. Cultural, religious programs and public langars have also been banned. Not more than 200 people will attend private programs, or only 50% of the capacity will come in indoor programs. In the meeting, in addition to the approval to fill 190 posts of forest guards, it was decided to upgrade some police posts to police posts and primary health centers. The bill to introduce legislator to the vehicles to be flagged in the assembly was not agreed in the cabinet meeting. On Saturday, CM Jairam Thakur will hold an online meeting with DCs, SPs and CMOs of all the districts regarding the Corona cases rising in Himachal Pradesh. It is being told that the CM can issue instructions to the officials to the strict measures regarding the coronavirus. Youth arrived for army recruitment blocked Chandigarh-Una road. There was a dispute over the recruitment of the army running in district Una. The youth of Una have accused the army officials that the officers are discriminating against the youth of the district Una and the entire group of Una is left out of recruitment. In the past too, the army recruitment which has taken place at Indira Ground In this manner, there has been a full biased behavior towards it. This time too, the youth of other districts of Himachal are being recruited in the army, but the youth of Una are being excluded from the recruitment. With this furry, youth belonging to Una blocked the Chandigarh-Una road in front of Indira Ground. The matter of lack of railway expansion. The matter of lack of railway expansion in the state came up in the House on Friday. All the MLAs believe that the rail line here has not increased even after years, and they are worried about it. MLA Ramlal Thakur remained adamant on his resolution, which led to the collapse of the majority by the ruling party. Government officials were again on target of Dhawala. This time the matter was related to the Department of Education, in which he also lambasted the Education Minister. He even said that no matter where the government is, where it is going wrong, it has to be raised. In the House, Ramesh Dhawala raised the matter of construction of school under the constituency Jwalamukhi. He questioned that one opened the school without approval and then tendered without budget. Himachal Pradesh Staff Service Selection Commission is going to conduct Junior Office Assistant IT exams. Himachal Pradesh Staff Service Commission is going to conduct Junior Office Assistant IT exam with the highest number of candidates in the state on Sunday, that is March 21st. A total of 1,868 posts of JOA IT are to be filled in various government departments of the state. 2.28 lakh candidates had applied for this to the Selection Commission. Himachal Peace defeated Peace of Punjab, Rajasthan. Demand for Himachal Peace has increased throughout the country due to its superior quality. The Himachali Peas are selling up to Rs 38 per kg in the market after beating the peas of Punjab and Rajasthan. In the plains states, the peas season will end after a week, in which the mountain peas are likely to get good prices. According to the information, Himachal Pradesh is the leading state in pea production. Peas are produced in the state on a large scale. Question raised on thousands of rupees offered in the temples. Every day, hundreds of tourists are coming and offering thousands of rupees in the temple. But in whose pocket these thousands of rupees are going? No one knows. This question is arising in the mind of every person who comes to see the historic places like Bathu Di Ladi situated in the Pong Lake of Kangra. Kasoli is no less than heaven if you join it with the music. Bollywood actress, model, filmmaker, Miss Asia Pacific 2000 Dia Mirza enjoyed delightful places in and around Kasoli on Friday. The actress has acted in several super-hit films. Dia Mirza said that she has come in connection with shooting an advertisement in Kasoli this time. 4.54 crores to be recovered from panchayats. After the declaration of panchayat elections in the state, the government is to recover Rs 5 crore 39 lakh 93,980 rupees from the former head and subheads. Out of this, 85 lakhs 93,000 rupees have been recovered so far, and more than 4 crore 54 lakhs rupees have to be recovered. This information is given in written replies to a question in the assembly. Hand pump will be set up again in the state due to the fear of drought. Due to the present situation in the state, the possibility of drought has increased in the coming time. This situation has arisen due to less snowfall and less rainfall. Water Power Minister Mahendra Singh said in the House that the department is moving again toward hand pump and borewell. He said that there was very little rainfall during the last monsoon. Due to this, the state is moving towards such a situation. Many streams have reached the verge of drying up. This time, conditions like June have arisen in March itself. Immediate action for illegal parking. The High Court has passed necessary orders on illegal parking along the roadside from Old Bus Stand Shimla to Sanjoli via Chota Shimla and via Sanjoli to Lakkar Bazar. A division bench of judges Tarlok Singh Chauhan and Judge Chandrabhushan Varowalia ordered SP Shimla that if any complaint about illegal parking comes, it should be disposed of within an hour. Strike in Shimla on 22nd March. Taxi operators in Himachal Pradesh will be on a one-day strike on March 22 on the demands of the routes. Angry operators hold a huge demonstration on this day. The operators will express his anger by taking out a roadshow in Shimla. The taxi operators have decided to open a front against the central and state government on setting new rules and heavy taxes, including rising prices of diesel and petrol. Got silver medal in national. In the 24th Federation Cup Senior Athletics competition held in Patiala, Punjab, Himachal sprinter Ankesh Chaudhary has proved his talent. While this promising player won the silver medal in the opposition, he has also broken the Federation Cup record he has made. For the first time in the history of Himachal Pradesh, for the first time, athletic player has won the medal in the Federation Cup. That's all in today's news. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Diary Times.